Today I'm teaching you two of my favorite sauces. One is the mushroom sauce and one is the Salsa Verde. I'm going to use the same pan which I cooked the eye fillet because all the grease and the fat which comes from the eye fillet, it's gonna taste even better when you cook the sauce in the same juices. While the mushroom and onions are cooking here, we can start picking our herbs for the Salsa Verde. Today I'm going to use a mint and a parsley. I'm just going to add a slice of garlic with some capers. You nicely season with the salt and pepper, fresh lemon juice. Probably half a lemon is enough. In the meantime, I'm going to quickly dice my mushrooms. I like to keep them chunky so it gives a kind of texture to the sauce. While my onions are nice and caramelized, I'm just gonna add the mushrooms and cook them further for 2 to 4 minutes. So mushrooms are already cooked. It's just time to add some cream. Season your sauce with the salt and pepper. Yeah, and just finish it off with a nice blob of butter. Now both our sauces are done. We can add it to the steaks and serve. If you like this video, hit over to the recipe.co.nz for more like it.